Hi, it's Nick. Today I want to share an idea how you can make more money and from make more money on online. Other than affiliate marketing, I discovered when you've watched my previous video, and I also discover this ways to make money online is with affiliate marketing. This is just per and sell other people's product, and you will get commission as you can as the middleman, such as distribution, warrior, and kickback. Some of them will pay you up to 50% commission. Some of them will in kickback they will pay you 75% if you make a super affiliate. For example, if you can make 1,000 sales in a month, you can upgrade your commission pay from 75% to up to 90%. Some of them will upgrade to 100% on the front end and 90% in the upsell as well. But this is also if you are interested in a physical product, it's also on Amazon. Especially in this period, Black Friday, most of them US will tap into Amazon. This is also when you in the Amazon, they have credit card, they are buyer, they are ready to buy. Other than your e-commerce, Shopify, WooCommerce, and also and other platform, drop shipping, they have some physical product, and also you will how to deal with customer service and delivery, how to payment processing. They will do much more, and this is not easy for you. And also other than the advertising, most of them will come to Facebook platform. This is also you have the testing and twisting. But if you tap into this Amazon, you don't have to pay anything for pay traffic. You just because everything in the Amazon they are ready buyer. When you other than this platform, you can have publish your book in Amazon KDP platform, Kindle directing publishing platform. You can publish your book. If you are not a writer, you just simply to outsource the content for in Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer.com. But you will charge so much money. Other than you have to outsource someone to decide the cover. It is not easy for you. It is not easy for you to start your publishing platform, publishing your book on Amazon. But this I discovered this on low content book. A low content book is not much easier for you can start your Kindle platform. You don't have to spend a lot of time over at least 10,000 words to write your book and outsource. This is the low content book. Low content book is another platform. And you will want to know that, and you can Google to search, or you can tap into this special offer. This special course, and it will teach you everything about the low content book. And you can see thousands of people know special gift publishing business for low content book on Kindle platform. This is also a baby. You don't have to without spending waste on month writing a book. As the matter, you will very little time to create a book and publish it. And learn how you can quickly and easily to work without wasting tons of time and also without having to spend a cent upfront. And you can see that you will. And in this platform, you can see this is also if you shop part of the keyword research on Amazon. And in this video, you will have some idea of what is the low content book. You will see that the low content book sales on Amazon, and you can see this is also some of the content book you can search for on Amazon. Excuse me. And then you will see other and you will see that this is also a platform you can tap into. And also this platform is, if you want to tap into this platform, is just for now. You can see this course in also this course is called the passive income publishing book. Course you will have 7 modules. You will help you how to do this. This is also presentation slide, PDF training, step by step video, and also you have a checklist to keep track. What is the module? Module number 1 is introduction. What is the KDP, pro and cons, low content? What are the low content book? Why you should focus on your customer? Module number 2 is all about the research. how to find profitable niche books idea 啦 why 嘅 keywords 啦 and 4 bad questions you must answer 啦 Module number 4 is all about the planning 啦 how to get started how to plan your book cover how to plan your book interior 啦 Module number 1 is all about the creating 啦 design fundamental 啦 software to make it easy 啦 create interior pages 啦 create your cover 啦 Module number 4 is all about the preparing for your publication 啦 how to write component description 啦 Amazon 嘅 category 啦 how to add extra 嘅 category how to use keyword effectively 啦 Module number 6 you will uploading and publishing 啦 set up your KDP account how to complete books details 啦 complete keyword books 啦 for maximum result 啦 uploading and approving your book 啦 confirm rights pricing and publish 啦Module number 7 is the final thought. Know who you what and why. Batch tasks. Stay organized. Admin and bookkeeping. Staying out of the trouble. All of them you should grab this course just for under $10, $9.97. Because I remember this product that you published on WordPress and in September, the original price is $19.97 because it's a Black Friday offer. It was just until to the Cyber Monday, just for under $10. And also, they also have included some exclusive bonus for you if you grab their product. Let's take a look what is their bonus that they offer to you. Bonus that they offer to you. This is also bonus. Bonus number 1, 5 ready to publish book. Bonus number 2 graphic and templates. Bonus number 3 over 600 嘅activate book interior. And also you can see that this is also they have the timer. You must grab this before the timer hit 0 just for $10. You will get such book how to publish your low content book and you can see that this is also a Black Friday weekend special so you must grab it before this timer or you will expire. And before I highly recommend you can start your passive income just with this low content book is another passive income. I highly recommend that you can grab it just $10. You could go through everything inside the sales page in this sales page. Other than that, I hope you can make more money. I have some exclusive bonus for this product in order to help you to more success. Let's take a look at what is my bonus page. And you can see this is bonus page. Bonus number 1. Bonus number 1 you will get about 5 Amazon idea. Bonus number 2 you will get a KDP books how to make money $100. Bonus number 3 you will get a profitable KDP niches in 2020. Bonus number 4 you will get a book interiors video. Bonus number 5 you will get free tools. You will get a free tool for KDP niche research. Bonus number 6 you will get a puzzle box money in 2020. Bonus number 7 you will get step by step to start KDP business. Bonus number 8 you will get a maximum performance for KDP books. And also I have additional bonus. Additional bonus number 1 low content books idea. Additional bonus number 2 Amazon advertising sponsored products tutorial. And additional bonus number 3 you will get a self-publishing master guide. All our exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the platform Warrior Plus before the countdown timer hit 0. If you are interested in it, simply click the link below in the description. The first link you will come to my bonus page, and when you come to my bonus page, simply click the link, click this any blue button on my bonus page, and you will come to this sales page. And even if you just purchase the front end, you will get all my exclusive bonus for you delivered for you inside the Warrior Plus. So lastly, they also have come to upsell. I also to review what are the upsell and to see this is also a variable for you. This is you can pick up or not. This is also optional. Option number 1 is $70. You can pass a celebration package. You can create hundreds of books with this package $70 option number 2 if publishing 嘅 cover template $27 啦 done for you cover template package simple as 1 2 3 and also have step by step 嘅 tutorial video to teach you how to edit this template the edit tool is free. Option number 3 is the done for you 嘅 package $77啦 what is the you will see everything ready to upload and process. How does it work? Step 1 submit a ticket. Step 2 choose on it. Step 3 deliver this package for you. Option number 3 is about VIP club $10 per month and you will get 2 profitable niche every month 31 interior 嘅 templates for journey etc 100 activity books interior pages and you will get discount on unique cover and interior created specifically for you I highly recommend you should grab 70 upsell number 1 $70 if you want to everything is done for you $77 done for you package if you want to have an ongoing to have your publishing business you can grab it for upsell number 4 this is also just for $10 per month and you will get 2 profitable niche every month. This is also just for $5 for every profitable niche every month they will deliver to you. This is no brainer. So if you want to have this in this because this is a Friday Black Friday special I highly recommend it. If you watch this video you should grab it before it expires and also I want to help you more. I have some exclusive bonus for this particular Black Friday special offer for you in order to help you to make more money. It is also a side hustle, part-time income. You will get started for this course under $10. So I highly recommend you to grab it. So I hope this my marketing idea help to make how you can make more money and this in different platform So lastly I hope you will like and you can simply click the link below in the description. The first link will come to my bonus page before my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Pastor. This is also a no-brainer. It's over 10 bonus for you to help you to more success. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for taking time to check out my video. I hope I will share more marketing idea and how to make more money in different way. So and hope you will like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for support my YouTube channel. See you later.